Owl, did you know, friends, that the moon controls the tides? Squirrel, chuckling, oh, Owl, you always have the coolest facts. Did you hear about the hidden berry patch near the stream? Dear, softly, that sounds lovely, Squirrel. We should visit it together. Fox, enthusiastically, yes. And maybe I can show you all the secret tunnel I found. Narrator, and so, the forest friends shared stories and laughter, their bond growing stronger with each chat.